The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, 11 straight years now. Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. All right. And right about now, we have the fourth batch, pang-apat na, no? Fourth batch from the second bus of students from, is it the same school? IETI. All right. IETI students in the radio booth. Yay! Yay! Pagod na kayo, no? Ito ba yung unang stop nyo? May dinaanan na kayo kanina, no? Pang second, no? Second pa lang, pagod agad, no? Ang taas po ng energy nila, mga kababayan. Yan. Kailangan na nila mag-lunch. Alright. What year are you guys in? Ito mga nandito sa booth ngayon. Ayan. What year? Fourth year? Uy, fourth year lahat. Mix? Sino yung mga fourth year? Taas ang kamay. O, palakpakan. Yay! Graduating, hopefully. Graduating lang. Joke lang. Okay. Yung sasagot ha, paki-grab yung microphone. Kasi pag walang mic, hindi yan maririnig sa ere, promise. Ako lang ang naririnig. Ayan, okay. So, marami na akong na-discuss kanina sa IETI, yung mga naunang batch. Hindi kayo yung first batch, no? Ngayon, ako naman na magtatanong. Ayan. Okay, kamusta ang school nyo? Saan located ang school nyo? Alabang. Ayun. Yun. So mga Alabang boys and girls pala ito. Alabang. Okay. Malaki ba yung school natin? IETI. Malaki siya. Ano no? Two buildings. Ayan. Pwede yung gamitin yung mic. Walang sumagot. Ayan. Two buildings. Ayan. So, you have your own something like facilities like basketball court, football field, and I'm curious kasi hindi ko pa napupuntahan no. And one of the things that I'm always curious whenever I visit schools is yung canteen. Kamusta yung canteen nyo? Okay ba? Wala? Okay. Oo nga, no? So, mall ang canteen ninyo. Wow, sosyalin. Oo nga, no? Alabang no? Yes. Okay. So, how long has the school been around? Ang IETI, gano'n na katagal? Nag-celebrate na kayo ng pang-ilang foundation or founding anniversary? 15 years na. Ayan. 50. 50. Tagal na pala. Kalain mo, no? 50 years. Wow. It started in 1974? Okay. Kaedad ko lang yung school nyo. Yeah. Alright. Bali, yung mga graduating, no? May mga fourth year, no? Here's an interesting question for you. Pag graduate na kayo, ano yung mga mamimiss nyo sa IETI? Sige nga, tanungin nga natin. Nasa likod ko ba? Nasa likod ko. Halika rito. Ayan. Mga pare, anong mamimiss nyo sa IETI pag graduate na kayo? Come on.
Yung samahan sa school na mga classmate and then mga teachers namin.
That's nice. Oo nga naman. Lalo na kung mga naging tropa-tropa, mga kaibigan. Pero sa school mismo, I'm referring to the school mismo, the physical aspect of the school. Di ba? Kasi I've interviewed a lot of tour groups na from different schools. Medyo weird nga yung iba eh. Yung iba, mamimiss daw nila yung elevator nila. Meron daw, may sumagot pa, yung mga bibe. Apparently, sa school nila, ang daming bibe. Hindi naman parte ng pinag-aaralan nila or hindi naman veterinary school. Pero maraming bibe. Doon daw nag-house. Parang gano'n. Tapos, they made it their own. Parang gano'n. So, yung pauwi, medyo nagte-text minsan yung nanay, anak, wala tayong ulam mamaya. Daan ka sa restaurant para umorder. Hindi naman yung bibi. Pero I like how you think. Ayan. So, physically, sa school, anong makakamiss sa school sa tingin nyo? Pag wala na kayo doon?
Yung tunog ng mosque ng Muslim.
Malapit? O nasa... Okay. I see. O nga, no? Parang LSSS ka nga naman doon. LSS. Ayan. Okay. So, aside from IT, engineering, ano-ano pa po ang courses that IETI offers? Ano-ano pa? Para kung may mga interested sigurong mag-enroll doon sa di ba? Ay, wala na namang gumagamit ng mic. Sila nag-uusap. Opo. Kaya ako lang naririnig sa ere.
Business, ano yun? BSBA,
BSBA.
BSIT, BSCPE,
Mhm.
Computer Engineering, yun lang.
Yun.
Ah,
Okay. So any next question would be any popular alumni from you guys na maybe in politics now or nasa showbiz, may popular alumni? Graduate or currently studying, meron ba? Sino?
Ako po, dati IETI Las Piñas po, way back 2000, and then tinuloy ulit yung pag-aaral ngayon. So, wala lang, government employee, ganun lang.
Government employee po kayo?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Wow. Okay. All right. What branch of government do you work for? Is it okay to ask?
LGU Las Piñas po.
LGU Las Piñas.
Political office.
I see.
Yes.
Kasi yung radio station din is a government FM radio
Yes.
station. Owned and operated by SBMA and PBS. Yan. Okay. So that's nice. So yung next question ko would be aside from yung mga courses na sinabi mo, no, merong
BSBA,
yan.
BSIT, BSCPE, and others.
Binanggit mo na rin lang. Sige, imbitahan mo yung yung mga graduating po. Parang radio commercial pare. Sige, tuloy mo na. Tayo nang mag-enroll sa, ano yan? IETI. Mura na, nauutang pa.
So, hello
Natawa
po
sila, Sir. Baka biglang maraming mangutang bigla, no? Sorry naman. Sige, invite po sila to enroll at IETI. Sige, pare. Yeah.
So,
Kaya mo yan.
Sa lahat mo nang nakikinig, it's either live sa FB or sa radio. Iniimbitan po namin kayo na mag-enroll po sa school po namin, which is IETI.
Diretsuin mo nga. International. Sige.
International Electronics and Technical Institute.
Wala, hindi nyo alam yung sarili ng school. My next question would be, what can you say about the effects of globalization to the poorest of nations and its lasting impact to those who are trying to get out of poverty?
I have no comment.
I now consider myself PIP runner-up. Okay. This is the last batch po, ano? Yeah, okay, alright. So, can I ask a favor? Can you do this for me kasi we're recording live now, audio and ano. Listen close. Do this with me. Hi, we are the students of IETI and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Kaya? Sabay-sabay tayo, ha? Okay, ulitin lang natin. Hi, we are the students of IETI and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yan. Okay, ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, we are the students of IETI and you are listening to DJ Tommy G. Ulitin natin. Okay lang yan. Kahit live on air, ginagawa yan. Okay lang yan. DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Ayan. Take 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi! We are the students of IETI. Last na to, ha? Hi, we are the students of IETI and you are listening to DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Kaya? Kaya na? I will play it forever. Araw-araw. Yeah, Jack intro ko yun. Gagawin ko. Yeah. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, we are the students of IETI and you are listening to DJ Tommy G. Here on okay na yun. Sige, ikakat ko na lang DJ Tommy G. Okay, thank you kids. Maraming salamat for listening. Ayan, thank you. Wow. You guys made my radio program extra fun. Ayan, sa mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon, sa mga ayan, may nag-message sa akin kanina, sabi, hey, sino yung nag-advertise? Pakipunta dito sa office namin. Office ng Law Enforcement Department. It's a joke. Chos lang. Okay, thank you kids. IETI students, ladies and gentlemen. We will press play. Diyan lang kayo. Meron tayong mandatory selfie or groupie para sa radio station's page. Ayan, okay? And for the meantime, giving you now something from Intro Voice. This is called Di Na Ko Aasa Pa. Friday Rewind Request 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.